Good morning all. Today we are going to learn about electric dipole. What is an electric dipole? What is the dipole moment? And what is the torque due to electric dipole? What is the importance of electric dipole? Those will be discussed in this session. What is electric dipole? An electric dipole is defined as a couple of charges. A couple of charges which are opposite charges, not same charges. The opposite charges are separated by a small distance. By default, the direction of electric dipoles in space is always from negative charge to positive charge. If you go for water, H2O, H molecules are 2, those are positive, O molecules are oxygen molecules are negative. There is a dipole in water, molecules of water. That is a small distance which is separated between two couple of charges, opposite charges, plus q and minus q by a distance d or by a distance l. It is known as electric dipole. Let us see the PPT or PDF file for that. Suppose there are two charges of equal magnitude, plus q and minus q, separated by a distance d, then it is called dipole. The two charges plus q, it is a plus q charge and minus q charge separated by a small distance d is known as electric dipole. If you go for water, the water molecule, based on water molecule dipoles, it acts as conductor. If you go for atom is a electrically neutral, that is positive charges are equal to negative charges. When we apply the external force, then only it acts as conductor. Some conductors, dielectrics and conductors and dielectrics, which is second unit, we will discuss that later. The second unit, the same topic will come again in second unit, conductors and dielectrics, which is second unit for electromagnetic fields or engineering electromagnetics. When not let us see, visualize the electric dipole. Suppose there are two charges of equal magnitude, q, separated by a distance d. Let the first charge be negative or positive and the second charge is negative. This combination can be called as electric dipole. This combination may be called as electric dipole. In any material, conductors, electric dipoles, the formation of electric dipoles is the cause of current flow. Due to electric dipoles vallane current flow avutuntundi. Dipole moment antaru. Dipole moment per unit volume is called polarization. Polarization, if you take any conductors, any conductor, positive charges and negative charges will be formed when it is applied to any external field. This polarization causes only flow of current. Conductors, dielectrics and insulators. Three types of classification is that we go for third unit. The combination can be called as electric dipole. Therefore, we can say that an electric dipole is created by combination of equal and opposite charges by separation of a certain distance. Certain distance is d. An electric dipole is denoted by the symbol p bar. We can write the dipole moment, or dipole can be denoted by the symbol p bar. We know that electric dipole is the product of magnitude of the charge. That is the dipole moment, we will see now. Okay, simply an electric dipole is the pair of two charges separated by a small distance, that is d, which is a small compared to the distance to point P. If you consider a two charges plus q and minus q, a point P is there, the distance at a point P, it is very high as compared to the distance between two charges. That is known as electric dipole. Next is the dipole moment. Dipole moment can be given by m or p bar. It is a vector. Dipole moment is, it is the product of charges and the distance of separation d. Any one of the charge we have to consider that either may be positive charge or negative charge. The product of charge and distance between the separated. Okay, electric potential, that is a dipole. If you, what are the examples of dipole is, whenever a conductor is subjected to electric field, dipoles are formed. That is polarization will be takes place. The polarization and all will come in unit 2. This is the last topic for first unit, conductors and dipole. Second unit is conductors and dielectrics is the second chapter. Now we go for dipole moment. Dipole moment M or P, it is indicated by P vector. It is a vector dipole moment. It is simply Q into D. That is any one of the charge into distance. The magnitude of an electric dipole is given as P equal to Q into D. The direction of electric dipole moment is vector quantity. It has a definite direction which is in the form of negative charge to positive charge. Dipole moment will be negative charge to positive charge. The dipole moment will be negative charge to positive charge. Though it is important to remember that is convention of direction is only followed in physics. You studied already electric dipole in physics. In chemistry, the convention is taken to be opposite, that is from positive to negative. The line along the direction of electric dipole is called the axis of dipole. The line along the dipole is axis of dipole it is. Let us consider two charges plus q and minus q are separated with a distance small d. Assume that in xyz coordinate system the two charges are, that is Cartesian coordinate system, the two charges are placed on along z axis. Where the dipoles are formed, where the two charges are placed, the axis is known as the dipole axis. Plus q and minus q are separated with a small distance d here. A point P is located at somewhere. The distance of point P from charge plus positive charge is r1, whereas from negative charge it is r2. Remember that. And from the origin the distance of point P is small r, whereas r1 and r2 is r2 minus rp equal to d cos theta. We can write like this. If you apply the theta angle here, r2 minus rp, r2 minus r1 equal to d cos theta we can write. If you apply the mathematical analysis, again we will in depth we will see. R2 minus R1 equal to d cos theta we can write. Now we go for electric potential due to dipole. That is very important. Now the same diagram, but small letters we assumed. R1 is the point charge plus q to point P, that is small r1. Small r2 is the charge, negative charge to point P, distance is small r2. And from the origin to point P the distance is r. R2 minus r1 it is m. If you write A, B, M, one triangle if you form, the angle of point P is at an angle theta. If you extend all the points you will get like this. Again we will see this explanation. Electric potential due to a simple point charge, already you know that. Electric potential due to a simple point charge is q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. You already know that what is the potential formula in the unit 1 starting. Electric potential at a point P due to a charge plus q is V1. Assume that q by 4 pi epsilon naught R1, where is the R1 is the distance of the charge plus q to P. Electric potential at a point P due to negative charge is V2. Assume that minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught R2. Already we know that what is the electric potential formula. If we are applying the same formula for point P due to positive charge, due to negative charge, minus q by 4 pi epsilon r2. R1 R2 are the distances of the point P from charge q1 and q2, or plus q2 minus q. Then the resultant potential Vp is given by V1 plus V2. We have to add V1 plus V2, q by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught R2. We are made common q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, that equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 minus R1 by R1 into R2. That is the resultant potential Vp at point P. How we obtain q by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 minus R1? Simply we are taking the distances 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. The LCM is R1 R2. After that R2 minus R1 we can obtain. From the diagram, from this diagram we can write what is R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 divided by D equal to cos theta. If you apply the cos theta for this, if you apply the cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse is D equal to, or cos theta, that is R2 minus R1 by D cos theta. If you apply the same formula we are using for deriving this electric potential due to electric dipole. From the figure, cos theta equal to R2 minus R1 by D. From that, R2 minus R1 equal to D by cos theta we can obtain. Since the distance between 2 point charges is very small, you know that the distance between two charges is very less, then only it acts as dipole. Now we can take R1 minus R2 equal to R, because R1 also equal to approximately equal to R2, that is also equal to R. Because the distance is very small, the inclination of angle of inclination is also very small. We can take R1 minus R2 equal to R. Therefore, potential Vp is given as Q by 4 pi epsilon naught D cos theta by R square. Because R1 minus R2 equal to R, assume that R1 equal to R2 equal to R. R1 minus R2, it is not that. R1 minus R1 equal to R2 equal to approximately equal to R, it is. R1 equal to R2 equal to R. If you substitute this R1 equal to R2 equal to R, it is equal, then we can write R1 equal to R2 equal to R, then QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 minus R2, that is R square we can write. Therefore, Vp equal to QD is known as MRP. What is M? Electric dipole moment. Q into D cos theta, M cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square volts. That is the electric potential due to dipole, where M equal to dipole moment. Where M bar is, it is a dipole moment is a vector, MRP, we can indicate the dipole moment. Hence, we can write P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square also we can write 4 pi epsilon naught R square, or M bar is also known as dipole moment. That is the electric potential due to dipole. Now we go for electric field intensity, that is E bar due to dipole. E bar due to dipole, that is electric field intensity due to dipole, we will see now. Electric field intensity due to dipole. Already we know the formula, what is electric field intensity. E bar equal to the relation between E equal to minus del V, the relation between E equal to minus del V. What is this? Divergence, what is this? Potential gradient. From potential gradient we can relate E and del V. In the last class we know not what is potential gradient. From the potential gradient, electric potential due to dipole, already we know that we derived that QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. From potential gradient, the relation between E and V is electric field intensity, and electric potential, the relation is E equal to minus del V, where del operator is known as partial differentiation. Partial differentiation we have to carry it out. Simply we are applying del V. Now we can write minus into del V in spherical coordinate system, dou V by dou R AR plus 1 by R dou V by dou theta A theta plus 1 by R sin theta dou V by dou phi A phi. In spherical coordinate system we consider. Now we are substituting that dou by dou R of AR QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square AR direction, 1 by R dou by dou theta QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square A theta plus 1 by R sin theta dou pi dou phi of QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square A phi. Simply we are substituting this V in all equations in dou V. Partial differentiation of this V will be carried out. Now we are doing the partial differentiation of V. Already we derived this QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Partial differentiation is minus QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, integration is R cube. Finally we can obtain QD cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into R cube AR. Similarly we are doing partial differentiation of this. that is 1 by, if you do the partial differentiation of this one, 1 by r qd by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, partial dou by dou theta, cos theta integration is minus sin theta a theta plus 0, because phi term is not there here, dou by dou phi of the dou by dou phi of qd cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught, in that phi term is not there, we can directly substitute 0, that equal to qd by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, we made common 2 cos theta ar plus sin theta a theta, that is E bar equal to, from the potential we obtained E bar equal to m by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, that equal to into 2 cos theta ar plus sin theta a theta volts per meter, that is electric field intensity is denoted by volts per meter. What is the unit for electric dipole moment? Dipole moment is a coulomb is the charge, any one of the charge, q into d is known as dipole, charge is coulomb, distance is in meter, coulomb meter is the unit for electric dipole moment m bar. M bar is given by qd, that is the unit of electric dipole moment is coulomb per meter. Now we obtained what is the electric field intensity due to electric dipole as m by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, 2 cos theta ar plus sin theta a theta. Now we go for torque on electric dipole in electric field. What is meant by torque? The turning or twisting moment of force. In case of machines it is defined as the product of force into and distance, any one of the couple. The distance between the two charges, that is the perpendicular distance, that is L. Force into distance is known as torque. It is defined as the product of force and distance of the two charges. Torque equal to tau equal to force into length. From the definition of E bar, what is E bar? Now we can see the two charges plus q and minus q as depressed in a electric field E bar. Now the two charges are placed in electric field intensity E bar. The force exerted on a positive charge and negative charge, a force will be exerted, because if the charges are placed in electric field, definitely a force will be there, that is according to Coulomb's law. Now the distance is, perpendicular distance is L, L is the distance. The tau torque is given by the product of force into distance, force into length. From the definition of E bar, we can write E equal to force per unit charge is known as electric field intensity E bar. The force per unit charge, E equal to F by Q, therefore force equal to EQ, we can write. From the figure, L equal to d sin theta. If you made the angle theta, sin theta equal to L by d, therefore L equal to d sin theta. Okay, from the definition of electric field intensity, F equal to EQ, that is E equal to force per unit charge is known as electric field intensity. From that, F equal to EQ. Similarly, from the diagram, L equal to d sin theta. Now torque equal to force into distance, therefore torque due to dipole equal to Q into E. F already we know that F equal to QE into d sin theta. L can be written as d sin theta. QD E sin theta. QD is known as if you made QD is known as, QD is equal to M. What is M? It is known as dipole moment. M is a vector. M into E sin theta, or P also, it can be indicate P also, dipole moment, PE sin theta. From that, PE sin theta can be written as M cross E, because the cross product can be defined as A cross B means AB cos theta. It is A vector, A cross B vector is AB cos sin theta. It is cos theta will come in dot product, whereas sin theta will come in cross product. Then M cross E or P cross E is known as torque due to electric dipole. P cross E or P or M both are same. We can write M cross E. We can write M cross E, that is the torque due to dipole. Torque tau or torque T, torque due to dipole is M cross E. That is the torque due to electric dipole in electric field intensity. Simply the cross product of dipole moment into electric field intensity gives the torque on dipole. Torque due to dipole in electric field, that is the cross product of m cross e. M cross e cross product is m into e into sin theta. What is the cross product, dot product? Already we know that in vector analysis. Now we go for a numerical problem. A point charge of plus or minus 3 microcoulomb are located at 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, minus 1 respectively. A point charge that is plus 3 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb are located at, the coordinates are given 0, 0, minus 1 and plus 1. X, Y, Z it is Cartesian coordinate system, that is the x axis and y axis are 0, x1, x, y, z. If you assume this, z is 1 and z is minus 1. It is 1, it is plus 1, it is minus 1. The two charges are separated by a small distance, 2 meters. Find P or M. What is P or M? It is known as dipole moment. Find dipole moment. Find E bar in spherical coordinates. Find E bar at a point 1, 2, minus 5. It is a simple problem based on electric dipole. Let us see. Assume that the charges are placed 3 microcoulomb minus 3 microcoulomb along z axis, because they given that minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, what is the distance is 2 meters. Now ABT is dipole moment, electric dipole moment P or M equal to Q into D. Q D AZ direction it is. Direction is AZ along the z axis. These are D is directed along minus Q2 plus Q. That is any one of the charge we have to consider. Any one of the charge we have to consider, that is 3 microcoulomb it is. We consider that minus 3 or plus 3, the negative charge or positive charge, that is not required. Any one of the charge into distance, that is known as dipole moment. 3 into 10 power minus 6 into 2 into 10 power minus 3 AZ, 2 mm it is. Therefore 6 into 10 power minus 9 AZ, 6 AZ Newton Coulomb per meter. What is Newton? It is not Newton, it is nano coulomb per meter. 10 power minus 9 it is. 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 9 you obtain nano coulomb per meter, or coulomb per meter is 6 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb meter, or nano coulomb meter is 6 nano coulomb meter. Similarly B point. Coming to B bit, the electric field intensity at 2 into 40 comma 50 degrees r theta phi, it is spherical coordinate system. E bar equal to, we already know electric field intensity E bar according to dipole QD by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube 2 cos theta r plus sin theta a theta. The formula what we required. Now we substitute all the values. 2 cos theta 40 degrees and theta is 40 degrees. Finally we obtain the electric field intensity due to electric dipole at a point 2 comma 40 comma 50, that is B bit is 10.3 AR plus 4.33 A theta volts per meter. Similarly, conversion of a spherical coordinate system or dot product, conversion of a Cartesian coordinate system to spherical coordinate system. How to convert? 1 comma 2 comma 1.5 meters they given, r equal to, there is a relation between spherical to Cartesian coordinate system. The coordinates for spherical coordinates are r theta phi. R theta phi are the coordinates for spherical coordinate system, whereas x, y, z are the Cartesian coordinate systems. Now we can convert Cartesian coordinate system to cylindrical coordinate system by using these formulas. R equal to x square plus y square plus z square, that equal to, we substituted square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1.5 square, that equal to 2.69. Theta equal to tan inverse x square plus y square by z, that is theta equal to 56.14 we obtained. Phi equal to tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x, that is the slope of the cylindrical spherical coordinate system, that is tan inverse 2 by 1, 63 point. Therefore electric potential at point P can be given as same formula. By substituting those we can obtain 3.08 AR plus 2.38 volts per meter. This is the numerical problem related to dipole.